Hey everyone, it is Diecast review day, and take a look at what we're going to review today. What we have here is a Maisto 124 scale Deep Amethyst Pearl 1996 Plymouth Grand Voyager. Now this casting actually came out when the new vans came out. They were kind of a big deal, and so Maisto took the opportunity to make the one that came out first, which was the Dodge Grand Caravan. They made it on the standard wheelbase, so technically it's just a Plymouth Voyager and a Dodge Caravan, but we'll go with it. It's still really neat to see minivans cast. And so the first one that came was the Dodge Caravan. It was available in deep emerald green, and it had that really nice dark red, I don't remember the name of the color, but dark red metallic. Then the Plymouth Voyager came in this deep amethyst pearl and the polar white. And a long time ago, I had the white one, but it's been lost in a move, and so I picked up this deep amethyst one on eBay. But as you can see, it does have specific Plymouth touches here. The egg crate grille with the Plymouth logo in the grille, and the Plymouth-specific bumper. And moving up, it does have a 15th anniversary thing. Mine never had that, so I'm not really sure where that came from, but it's okay. Anyway, as we come along the profile of the car, as you can see, it does look really good. Everything paint matching wise looks really good. One off thing is the wheels. These wheels were Dodge Caravan specific. They were actually never available on the Plymouth Voyager. But as you can see here, we do have the Plymouth script down here. Separately cast plastic mirrors with the Mylar lens. And we go into the rear. As you can see, the taillights back here. And it says Plymouth, and over here it says Grand Voyager SE. Has the Voyager manufacturer tag and this comically large rear wiper. But overall, it's just a really cool little casting. So some caveats to this. The front doors actually do not open for whatever reason, I don't know. The only thing I can think of is that the doors and the mirrors were actually separate pieces. So the doors opened separately and the mirrors stayed in place, and they didn't have the spring form hinges back then on these. And the windows are actually part of the windshield and everything. But they have sliding doors on both sides. So that was the cool part of this, was the fact that each door slid open pretty correctly, actually, how it travels along the track and it kind of goes in and shuts. So you don't get really good access to the interior detail, but we're going to go ahead and take the shell off and we're going to show you the interior anyway. All right, here we're going to lift the car off, the body shell off the interior. And we're going to show the interior since it's not readily viewable from the exterior because of those fixed in place windows. And of course, there's a fuzz there. And of course, the fixed in place driver's door, or the front doors. But as you can see, Maisto actually was able to put in quite a bit of detail here. Even in the third row, you can kind of see indentations for the cup holders on both sides, actually. And you can see the seats are pretty well detailed considering they're just cast in place here. You got your little speakers there, you got your little door tracks here, and of course the middle row seat here only seats two. And you got your walk-through space here, and your humongous door tracks here. And then of course you have your front seats. They're still pretty well detailed up here. And of course your door panels, which are fixed in place as well. And one thing Maisto was actually able to do is put a lot of detail on the dashboard. I'll take that off here in a second. But this is also the one Maisto that has the most odd steering. And of course it doesn't make any difference either because you can't really see it. But when you turn the wheels to the left, the steering wheel turns right. And when you turn the wheels to the right, the steering wheel turns left. It's just very, very strange. So that's the interior view of Maisto's 1996 Plymouth Voyager and or the Dodge Caravan. All right, here's a more detailed view of the dashboard and the Dodge Caravan slash Plymouth Voyager. As you can see, Maisto actually was able to put in quite a bit of detail here. They've got their instrument cluster sticker here, of course, in the requisite. At the time when they built these, they always seemed to make the gauges where they look like they're illuminated. Anyway, this vehicle is going close to 100 miles an hour at about 4,000 RPM maybe. I'm not really sure why they chose that, but whatever. Air vents, radio, climate control. Of course, it's not super detailed, but at least the cast are there. Passenger side, of course, you got your glove box here, and you got your air vents and all that kind of stuff. So pretty cool that they actually put that much detail in there. And then, of course, you have your steering wheel. Typical Chrysler van steering wheel. And that's pretty much it for that. All right, now that the interior is back, or the exterior is back on, the other part that opened up was the lift gate. This is how you can tell it's just a standard wheelbase. Not a whole lot of stuff back here. And just a real quick look underneath. Pretty detailed undercarriage. As you can see here, Dodge Caravan, Plymouth Voyager, scale 126, Maisto, made in Thailand. The screws are missing because I've actually taken the vehicle apart and they will be put back on the vehicle soon. Alrighty, let's go ahead and open everything up. Sliding doors. Alrighty, and that does conclude our review of Maisto's 126 scale 1996 Plymouth Grand Voyager SE. We hope you liked the review, and if you did like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and Instagram at BrentoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.